According to the organization Stop Hate Against Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders, as of April, nearly 4,000 cases of discrimination against people of Asian origins across the United States have been recorded. Discrimination against Vietnamese people in the U.S. ranked third after Chinese and Korean communities, with about 300 cases.
We have received feedback from the people about their difficulties in accessing social security services and jobs, healthcare, and education opportunities. Some of their businesses were ravaged, and we are concerned about some people in San Francisco who were even attacked.
Faced with this, many Vietnamese community groups in the U.S. have started sharing self-defense tips and warning on social networks.
People inform each other about cases and equip themselves with solutions, like avoid going out at night or to secluded places. Bring pepper spray and learn techniques for self-defense. Protective documents are translated into Vietnamese.
On March the 21st, a public gathering was held at the McPherson Square in downtown Washington, D.C. to call for more protection of Asian and Asian American people. The event, which was organized by young Vietnamese who are studying and working in the U.S., drew the participation of 500 people.
The message we want to spread is that Asian community needs to unite. We pay tribute to the victims of the Atlanta shooting in March. We need to be more aware of gun violence and white supremacies, and we need to unite together for change.
Since the emergence of Asian targeted hate crimes, the Vietnamese Embassy and representative officers in the U.S. have provided a 24/7 hotline to the public and have coordinated with other ASEAN embassies to protect their citizens. Currently, the U.S. government is also taking comprehensive measures to end discrimination against Asians, including Vietnamese people, and taking actions to honor the contributions of Asians and Vietnamese people in the development of the United States.